Hi, I'm Michelle Coling. I'm a death doula and a grief coach. I help people at end of life transition with peace and presence, and I help people recover and rebuild their lives after the death of a close loved one. To be honest, I didn't really know what I was looking for when I found heart centered NLP training. I just knew that the way I was living was no longer working. At that time, I was still identifying as a widow after the death of my husband. I was super anxious. I was still having the occasional panic attack. And even though I was doing a lot of personal development work on my own, I felt like I was like white knuckling it through my days. Then I remember clearly the moment when one of the very first teachings, the anatomy of the unconscious mind, opened up a whole new world for me. It was like finding a light switch in a dark room. And that was the start of a whole new relationship with myself, with the world around me. I had no idea what I was in for. But I now had a new language to understand what I had been feeling for so many years, but I couldn't articulate. It also opened the door to explore a deeper spiritual connection, and that was definitely a piece that was missing for me. The best part of the training, in my opinion, is the live weekly Zoom support. We all come together, the students all come together in a practicum, and we get to ask questions, we get to practice techniques, ask about any challenges that may be coming up in our lives. And there's never been a question that Jeremiah couldn't answer, or a strategy he couldn't offer, or a deeper lesson to explore. And even when he's focusing on another student, I always feel the upgrades myself. It's just a really cool space that I haven't found exists anywhere else. It's really the best, most loving community who genuinely support you, cheer you on, and I've made lifelong connections within that group that I know I'll have forever. So I did not start this whole thing thinking I would be a coach, but with this course and with subsequent trainings, I finally had clarity and a roadmap for how I could use my experiences to help others who may be going through something similar. I'm now living a life I never could have dreamed of before my husband died. I'm traveling the world. I have a home I love. My relationships are deeper and more meaningful than at any other time in my life. And I want others to know that no matter what you've been through, your dream life is possible too. And I get to do that every day now. So, if you're thinking about joining the heart centered NLP training, my question for you would be, what are you waiting for? Your future self is waiting for you. The people that you are meant to help are waiting for you. I cannot recommend this program highly enough. It is truly life changing in the best possible way.